Let me start by asking you a question. Are you financially literate? Do you know how to manage your money effectively? Unfortunately, most of us don't. Hey, everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing some practical tips for becoming financially savvy and educating yourself on personal finance. Money plays a crucial role in our lives, and becoming financially savvy is one of the best things you can do to improve your financial situation. In today's world, where financial decisions are becoming more complex, and the risks of financial fraud are increasing, it's essential to be financially literate. Start with the basics. Before you start investing in stocks or other financial products, you need to understand the basics of personal finance. Here is a famous quote that says, "The only way to permanently change the temperature in the room is to reset the thermostat." In the same way, the only way to change your level of financial success, permanently, is to reset your financial thermostat. This quote by T. Harv Eker refers to the idea that in order to achieve lasting financial success, one must reset their mindset and beliefs about money. The thermostat, in this analogy, represents your internal beliefs and attitudes towards money, which can either limit or expand your financial potential. To permanently change your financial situation, you must adjust your financial thermostat to think and act like someone who is financially successful. That's why it's important to talk about some practical tips for becoming financially savvy. 1. Read books and watch videos. One of the best ways to educate yourself on personal finance is to read books and watch videos. You can get some of the best book summary and YouTube videos for learning about personal finance on this channel. 2. Attend workshops and seminars. Attending workshops and seminars is another excellent way to educate yourself on personal finance. You could search online and get some of the best workshops and seminars for improving your financial literacy. 3. Use online resources. There are many online resources available for learning about personal finance, from financial blogs to online courses. According to a survey conducted by Standard & Poor's Global Financial Literacy Survey, only 24% of Indian adults are financially literate, which is significantly lower than the global average of 35%. This highlights the need for greater financial education in India. 4. Take an online course. Online courses are a convenient way to learn about personal finance, and many are free or low cost. You can easily use some of the best online courses for improving your financial literacy. 5. Join a financial community. Joining a financial community can be a great way to learn from others who are also on the path to financial success. The average Indian household has a debt-to-income ratio of 42%, which is among the highest in the world. This can be attributed to a lack of financial education and poor financial decision-making. 6. Follow financial news. Staying up to date with financial news can help you make informed financial decisions. 7. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals can help you stay motivated and focused on improving your financial situation. You can get lot of online resources for setting financial goals and how to track your progress. You can also consult professional financial advisors. With a growing aging population, retirement planning is becoming increasingly important. According to a report by the World Bank, only 9% of India's working age population contributes to a pension plan, which means that many people will have inadequate retirement savings. 8. Practice good financial habits. Finally, practicing good financial habits is essential for becoming financially savvy. Some practical tips for managing your money effectively are paying yourself first, avoiding impulse purchases, and living below your means. In conclusion, becoming financially savvy is crucial for achieving financial success. I encourage you to take control of your personal finances by following the tips and advice discussed in this video. By understanding the basics of personal finance, reading books and watching videos, attending workshops and seminars, consulting with financial advisors, and using online resources, you can educate yourself on personal finance and take control of your finances. Remember, improving your financial literacy is a lifelong process, and the more you learn, the better you'll be at managing your money. Hope you liked the information shared in this video. Please share this with one of your friend and family member. Like and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching.